6 compelling reasons prove you should wait for the 2027 Chevrolet Silverado instead of buying the 2026 model. What's coming next year represents the most significant overhaul of America's second best-selling truck in nearly a decade. GM CEO Mary Barra officially confirmed in a recent shareholder letter that both the 2027 Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra will be revealed this year. This isn't just another refresh, it's a complete redesign that will transform everything from the engine bay to the interior dashboard. With 560,264 Silverados sold last year alone, including 358,771 Silverado 1500S, this truck clearly matters to American buyers. But here's why: waiting just one more year will get you dramatically more truck for your money. Revolutionary Gen 6 small block 5.8 engines represent the first major reason. General Motors is investing nearly $900 million to completely redesign their legendary small block V8 engine family. The new Gen 6 small block represents the biggest engine advancement from GM in over a decade, and it's debuting exclusively in the 2027 Silverado. Sources familiar with the development confirm the Gen 6 family will launch with 2 distinct displacements: a 5.7-liter that replaces the current 5.3-liter and a massive 6.6-liter that succeeds the current 6.2-liter. Think of this as GM's answer to the Hemi's retirement. These aren't just bigger engines, they're smarter engines. GM President Mark Reuss revealed the efficiency gains during a 2024 investor presentation, stating these new powertrains will deliver 4 to 6% better fuel economy at launch compared to the current mid-cycle enhanced engines. That translates to 10 to 12% better efficiency than the original 2019 engines. We're talking about real-world improvements that will save you money at the pump while delivering more power and torque. The Gen 6 engines are also designed from the ground up to accommodate hybrid technology. GM has confirmed these V8s will integrate with hybrid or plug-in hybrid systems to meet the stricter 2027 EPA emission standards. This isn't just about compliance, it's about giving you the option of electric assist for maximum torque delivery and even better fuel economy. A completely redesigned exterior that means business makes the second compelling reason. Patent filings revealed in December 2025 show the 2027 Silverado's design direction, and it's a dramatic departure from the current truck. The new Silverado adopts a more upright, blocky front end with sharper styling and a rugged demeanor that screams capability. The front grille features a split design with a connecting bar that houses daytime running lights across the top. It's more rectangular and aggressive than the current truck's softer curves. The overall design language is about making a statement. This truck looks like it can handle whatever you throw at it. But here's the most exciting detail for serious truck buyers. The 2027 ZR2 will finally come with factory 35-inch tires. Spy photos captured a ZR2 prototype rolling on 285/75R 18 Goodyear Wrangler Territory mud terrain tires. That's a true 35-inch tire compared to the current ZR2's 33-inch maximum. This puts the Silverado ZR2 in direct competition with the Ford F-150 Raptor and gives serious off-road enthusiasts the clearance they've been demanding. The exterior also features quad exhaust tips inspired by the Corvette C8, giving the Silverado a performance truck aesthetic that matches its capability. Every design element signals that this truck is ready for work and play. An interior revolution with massive display technology creates the third reason to wait. Spy photos reveal the most dramatic interior change in Silverado history, a massive curved display that spans from the driver's A-pillar all the way across the dashboard to the passenger side. This appears to be the same 33-inch curved LED display currently found in premium Cadillac models like the CT5 and Lyriq. This isn't just about screen size, it's about completely reimagining how you interact with your truck. The display integrates GM's latest infotainment system with enhanced materials and improved build quality, particularly in higher trim levels. The current Silverado's interior has been criticized for feeling cheap compared to competitors, especially in the seating department. The 2027 model addresses these concerns with a comprehensive cabin overhaul. The new interior also includes a dedicated passenger display screen, allowing your co-pilot to control entertainment, navigation, and climate systems without interfering with the driver's view. This level of technology integration puts the Silverado ahead of competitors and creates a truly premium truck experience. The fourth reason centers on an upgraded T12 platform for superior ride quality. The 2027 Silverado rides on GM's evolved T12 platform, addressing one of the current generation's biggest weaknesses: ride quality. The current Silverado's harsh ride, especially when unloaded, has been a consistent complaint from both owners and automotive journalists. The T12 platform focuses specifically on improving unladen ride quality while maintaining class-leading towing and hauling performance. GM engineers have redesigned the suspension tuning and chassis dynamics to deliver the smooth, controlled ride that truck buyers expect, especially when competing against the class-leading Ford F-150. Maximum towing capacity is expected to exceed 14,000 pounds, depending on configuration, compared to the current model's 13,300 pound maximum. But it's not just about the numbers, it's about how the truck feels when you're pulling a heavy trailer or driving empty on your daily commute. The platform improvements also enhance overall refinement, reducing noise, vibration, and harshness, while maintaining the durability that Silverado buyers demand. This is GM's chance to finally match or exceed Ford's ride quality leadership. Perfect timing advantage over competition makes the fifth reason worth considering. The 2027 Silverado has a massive competitive timing advantage that most buyers don't realize. Ford's next generation F-150 has been delayed until 2028, originally planned for 2027. This gives GM a full year of market leadership with the newest full-size truck technology. If you're shopping for the latest and greatest in truck innovation, waiting for the 2027 Silverado means you won't have to wait until 2028 for Ford's response. The Silverado will launch in fall 2026 as a 2027 model year, giving GM first mover advantage in the next generation of full-size trucks. Production of the current 2026 Silverado started in July 2025 and will end roughly a year later, making way for the new model. Early 2027 production will likely prioritize high-end trims like High Country, ZR2, and Trail Boss before work truck and custom variants follow. Plug-in hybrid technology finally arriving provides the sixth and final reason. GM has confirmed that plug-in hybrid technology will be available on the next generation Silverado, marking the first time Chevrolet has offered PHEV capability in a full-size truck. While 2027 will launch with the new small block V8S, 2028 looks realistic for the plug-in hybrid variant. This isn't just about meeting emissions regulations, it's about giving truck buyers the best of both worlds. Imagine having electric-only range for your daily commute while maintaining full V8 capability for towing and hauling. The plug-in system will likely provide instant electric torque for maximum acceleration and improved fuel economy in city driving. GM CEO Mary Barra emphasized that deploying plug-in technology in strategic segments will deliver some of the environmental benefits of EVs while maintaining the capability truck buyers demand. This positions the Silverado ahead of competitors who are still figuring out their electrification strategies. The 2026 Silverado represents the end of an era, the final year of the current generation that launched in 2019. While it's still a capable truck with pricing starting at $39,495, including destination charges, the 2027 model represents a quantum leap forward in every measurable category. Yes, you'll likely pay more for the 2027 model. Industry estimates suggest the Trail Boss could start around $50,000, with the ZR2 reaching the mid-$70s to $80,000 range. But you're getting a completely new truck with technology and capability that the 2026 simply cannot match. The choice is yours: buy the current generation's final year, or wait for what promises to be the most advanced Silverado ever built. Based on everything we know about the 2027 model, patience will be rewarded with a truck that redefines what Chevrolet can deliver in the full-size segment.